Welcome to Tao Chess. Flow with the board, let it show you the way. What if chess wasn't a battle, but a quiet river of movement? What if strength lived not in force, but in stillness, in the pause before the move? In modern chess, we are taught to push, to calculate, to conquer. But what if true mastery lies in softness, in patience, in listening to the board, instead of telling it what to do? Tao Chess is a path toward effortless play, a gentle way where each move arises from harmony, not from struggle, but from silence. My journey. I met the Tao when I was a boy. In a Danish library, a friend mentioned Confucius. I reached for his books, but they didn't speak to me. Then by chance, I found the Tao Te Ching. I felt like coming home, like meeting an old friend from before words. Since then, the Tao Te Ching has walked with me, quietly, patiently, guiding not only my life, but my chess. A life in chess, a journey with Tao. As a professional chess player, I traveled far and wide, from the icy silence of Greenland to the red earth of Namibia. I taught chess to children, and through the game, I shared the spirit of Tao, though they never knew its name. For years I searched for a book that brought Tao and chess together, but the shelves were quiet. So I wrote it myself. Gratitude. I wish to thank Iceland, a land of fire, ice and deep silence, for giving me the freedom to walk this path. For 11 years I received support as a professional chess player, and that gift gave me the stillness and space to explore chess, not as a fight, but as a way. What is Tao Chess? Tao Chess is not a method, it's a way. It's not based on memorization, but awareness. Not about control, but reception. Not about doing more, but doing just enough. What you will learn. Move with Wu Wei. Action without strain. Balance yin and yang. Patience and timing. Let the opening be air, the middle game water, and the end game stone. Trust the board to reveal the path, one move at a time. Whether you are new to chess or you played for decades, Tao Chess invites you to return to something essential. To reconnect with chess, not as a combat, but a rhythm. As practice, as presence, as peace. Come as you are, leave lighter. Welcome to Tao Chess. Grandmaster Henrik Danielsen, March 2025.